is going to be an interview, and I'm not going to tell you who's the guest in today's video, so that is going to be a surprise. And let's not waste any time, let's directly go into the video. Hey guys, before going into the interview, just one small thing. Today's interview will be done over a video call and not in person because of the lockdown that is being imposed. Okay, so let's try connecting them. Yes.
Yeah, she's connected.
Thank you for picking up the call in your busy schedule. Okay, anyways, a small introduction. So, today in our video, we have three pretty girls from one of the famous arts and science women's college that is there in Chennai, and they didn't want me to expose their college's name. So, if you guys do recognize these faces, please do mention the name of the college in the comment section. So, hey guys, how are you doing?
Yeah,
good.
all
Okay, so we have Sharon on the top left corner, and then we have Sanika on the top right corner, and then we have Ritika on the bottom left corner. So I'll be linking their Instagram links in our description. So if you want to follow these guys, you can do so. So let's quickly get into the interview. I just wanted to ask a few questions because right now you guys are going through online classes, right?
yeah.
And being a trainer, I know how hard it is to be on the other side. Okay, so I just have a few questions. I'll quickly ask them. So the first one is,
Yeah.
how do you think your online classes are different from your regular classrooms, like your regular classroom sessions?
Um, okay, so first of all, it's a very different experience because the first time we're experiencing an online class third year.
Mm-hmm.
So usually we'll have regular classes, but this time it's online. So yeah, it's like it's a little bit we are a little bit sad that we are not able to reach out to our college as well as our friends also. So I guess yeah, it's
Not a
like very
problem.
sad one part, but one part we are happy that yeah, we can get out whenever we want we can get in, eat eat anytime, leave anytime. I
Even
hope
during the
nobody leaves
sessions,
our
right?
college.
You can simultaneously attend the session and also have your meal. So that is one good thing that you have, right?
It's actually good,
Yeah.
but then some girls can't afford the online classes thing.
Correct.
Like there are
Yeah.
so many technical problems. Even the teachers are not aware of how to handle the classes, everything. So
Okay.
coming up with the
Okay, being a
like
trainer, let me
the
tell you
old
that
gen
that
teachers,
that was
old
quite
gen
hurtful.
teachers, not the young ones. They are calling us and asking how to mute ma, how to unmute ma. So it's
Okay,
like
so they are not
difficult.
very good with the technology, you mean? Okay, okay,
Yeah, latest technology.
okay. Anything else?
Yeah, it's been just 2 days since we have started our online classes, so there's nothing much right now. Everything's going good.
It's fun.
Okay, so do you
It's
guys
fun.
have any
Yeah,
other
totally fun.
fun?
And
Okay,
of course,
great.
I can do some naughty stuff. I can do some naughty stuff like I did
Great,
Yeah.
that's great.
Exactly.
yesterday.
So, I mean, apart from your trainers finding it difficult to handle sessions, do you have any other difficulties that you have in your online sessions? One is certain people were
Yeah,
not able to
network
afford
problem.
Network problem.
Okay,
Not many can afford laptop.
very
Like
true.
they
very
can't
true.
see the screen
And
properly
getting
in
up
phone.
early is a bit.
Sorry, Sanika, we weren't able to hear you.
Yeah.
Getting up early is an issue.
Okay, but then you
Getting
had to
up
do that
early
even
is
when you had your regular
yeah.
classes, right?
Yeah, it's a very big issue for me as well. Getting up early in the morning.
Oh, okay. So you guys belong to the
Yeah.
evening shift, so you guys were able to wake up late, right?
Yeah,
Great,
it's
great. So
like
now
a
we don't have
midnight. It's
shifts.
like you waking up. Yeah, it's like they're waking us up at midnight and asking us to sit for online
Yeah.
class. That's terrible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
No, but then
also,
actually you
and
can
also the
request
timing.
Timings are long.
We have like so many hours.
Late.
So it starts from
Yeah.
what time? 9, is it? 9 or 9:30?
9 to 3.
Yeah.
9 to 3 is quite long, is it? So
Like,
just
we have breaks, but
just
then-
imagine your friends who
Yeah.
are pursuing their career
Yeah.
in engineering. They have to sit from 8:30 up till 4:35 in the evening.
And that's
That's
why we
worse,
chose
right?
arts. Art, that's different.
Point to
Yeah.
Okay, so waking up early is one issue. Then what else you said? Many can't afford laptops. Then you have network issues. Anything else?
And what
Anything
else?
weird? For example, let's say your
Difficulty is not
parents coming in between and
being
seeing if
alone.
you're learning.
Being alone is one day difficult
Being alone.
because there's no friend sitting next to us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are like sitting alone and yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's there. You don't get that classroom experience where you can have fun with your
Yeah,
friends, right?
exactly.
True, true. Okay,
Yeah.
let's move on to the next question. What do you miss the most in your regular classes?
Yeah. It's like normal. Like
What do I miss?
What do you miss the most? Like, if you can say one
my
thing,
friends.
what would
My
it be?
friends.
Your
Most,
friends.
my friends. Of course, my friends. I think everybody will say it's our friend.
Okay, so
My
that's the physical
campus
presence of
canteen.
your friends, right?
Yeah.
Canteen.
Canteen, okay. That was a good one. Yeah, canteen is a good one. True.
Yeah, true.
See,
Canteen.
Ritika comes up with
And
interesting
Ritika,
answers.
And Ritika going behind one teacher.
Female teacher, right?
Yeah, she has a crush on a teacher.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
The travel
Teacher,
part
if you're
from her
listening to
home
this,
to
whoever is
the
handling
college.
sessions for Ritika, one of
Yeah.
you, Ritika has a crush on you, okay? So, yeah, be careful. Okay, so let's move
Oh
on to
my
the
God.
next next one. Okay, so now you mentioned the thing
Okay.
that you miss the most. Now, let's go on the contradictory side. What you don't miss? Something that you enjoy in your online classes.
Yeah, I can. They
We
say
can
that
use
we can
phones.
mute our video and audio. Yeah, we can use phones and you can mute our audio and video so that we can sleep as well. They don't know.
Okay, so I actually have
Yeah.
one video that one person had shared to me. So I'll be posting that right now, so you can see what these guys actually do during their sessions. Okay? You guys can comment below. Whom do you think out of these three did that thing? Okay, during the session, who do you think actually navigated to YouTube and was watching Surya's song? So if you guess it right, I might have a gift for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, I hope you guys are
Okay,
having
okay.
a lot of fun. See, this is there. I mean, everyone does it. Like right now, you are on the listener side. I'm on the trainer side. So even I get to know that many people actually do not listen to our sessions. They do other stuff. So it's completely fine.
We
That is
all
one-
sleep also.
True, exactly true. Because sometimes I've noticed even once the session is done, I'll say okay, we are done for the day. Let's leave, and I won't end the meeting for some time. And you can still see around 10 to 11 participants who will still remain in the room. They won't leave the meeting. So that itself kind of tells me that they are not.
Pakka sleep.
They are asleep. So it's fine. We can't expect like the entire participants to listen to the session. That's fine. I believe even the teachers will understand that. And do you have any other difficulties or something that you don't miss? I think you're forgetting one thing. You can attend sessions in your PJs, right? Your pajamas. Get up. You don't even have to brush your teeth. You simply go and sit in front of the.
Rules, like some rules. Suddenly they will tell
Yeah,
us to
you have to-
unmute the video to show our dress code.
What?
ID card.
That's crazy, guys. That's crazy.
That didn't happen still. But
Damn, that's so sad, man. That's so sad. But then see, in my
Yeah,
sessions,
but
I
we
don't
don't
mind.
usually follow the rules of our college. We don't usually follow the rules of our college. That's different.
Okay.
But yeah, but that's true.
But then you're not in the college, right? See, dress code all applies only once
Yeah,
you're in
but-
the campus.
But they got
I mean, probably you should suggest
Yeah,
this to
or
your.
then you should be responsible for our attendance then.
I wish I was okay. I wish I was responsible for your attendance.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll quickly move to the next question.
Yeah.
So with online classes, you guys will be knowing that online exams will also come up, right? because if classes cannot happen the normal way, even your exams will not happen the normal way. So what do you think will be the challenges when it comes to
Yeah.
online exams?
Yeah.
Online exams we can easily copy. Like
Okay.
I know some people, like, one in one laptop they'll open another website, like in their phone they'll use,
Okay, so
like,
yeah, correct. Proctoring is one major issue. So the staff cannot proctor you.
Huh?
They cannot invigilate you. So
they
that is
can't
there.
just see.
Correct. So that is from their side. It is a difficulty from their side. Let's get to know the difficulties from your side.
Um,
Difficulty from our side is typing.
Typing would be an issue because till now you are used to writing, and typing is not something that you do on a daily basis. So it will affect your
Yeah.
speed. Yes, and you'll have a lot of typos in your answers as well. Correct.
uh,
So okay, typing is one. Apart from typing, anything else?
same network issue.
Correct.
Yeah, it's
So
very tough.
there could be network issues. There could be a sudden power shutdown, and being in Chennai, we are all
Yeah, power shutdown.
yeah, we all have frequent power shutdowns, right? So that is another
Yeah.
problem. Yes. Anything else apart from that?
Mm,
Okay, so
I
you
don't think
mentioned
so.
about the virtual proctoring part being hard for the management. But then, don't you think when you take up exams, your parents might somehow get into your room and check what you're doing? Have you ever thought about that?
I think I get my parents' help for writing my exams.
Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys are quite the rowdies, huh? I mean,
don't know,
it is
maybe.
amazing that you have such cool parents, but then generally the majority of students do have an issue with their parents getting involved in the children's work. So they might come and say, "What are you doing? What answer have you
And
typed?"
most of the parents won't help. Like my parents won't help in
See,
doing stuff.
Sanika is one of us, one of us. We are the majority in India, okay? You guys don't need open days, parent teacher meeting or anything, right? Because the parents get live feedback. They also get to attend your sessions, they get to know how you learn and everything, right? So that is also there.
Yeah, that's not there.
Correct, correct. One more small thing.
Yeah.
So that is how do you think your exam preparations can get affected? Because let's say there is an online exam, how do you think your preparation for that particular exam can get affected?
First of all, we are not even taking notes.
Okay.
Then your exam will be affected. So from the starting, we are getting affected.
I agree with all.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm taking notes, okay? I'm taking and I'm sending them. That's different. Don't pull me inside this.
Yeah, I
Sharon is playing it safe.
Oh my
Huh?
God.
Okay, so we'll move on to the last question of this particular interview. We all know that the world is moving towards digital revolution, right? So everything is moving to the digital platform. So do you think that online classes and online exams will be the future of education?
It will be, but then normal class, the thing we get
depends on
from
the
normal
nature.
classes will be missing. Like the
Okay.
atmosphere, everything will be missed. But
Yeah.
mostly it will be online in the future.
That is
Yeah,
true, yes.
unless and until this disease goes, I think it will be online classes.
Okay, but then let me tell you my opinion. Being working with an organization which handles the biggest training that is out there for
So
onboarding.
heartbreaking.
So what we do is we do have our classroom trainings, and if we wanted, we could have started the online trainings long back. But then we never did that because we wanted our trainees to have the classroom experience, because a classroom experience is a beautiful thing, right, where you have multiple people coming together learning.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a wonderful experience, and with online sessions you don't get that, so you tend to lose a lot
Yeah, true.
on attending online sessions. So I feel that though yes, some part of education will move to the digital platform, but the basic ones, the onboarding ones, schools and colleges will still stick to your classroom trainings. Okay, so you guys don't worry, it is going to be fine. Once the corona is going to go away, you'll get back to your colleges, your classrooms, and everything. Okay, you can have fun. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for joining this
Yeah.
interview. So now you know what to do, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
yeah, we know.
Like பண்ணுங்க.
താഴെ പോയിട്ട് കമന്റ് ചെയ്യുക.
Okay.
And please go subscribe to this channel if you want to know the updated content.
Okay, not just that. Bell icon mein maro bhai saab. Acha se maro. Thank you so much for joining this video. Over and out.